and I am the innovative nerd, and today I am going to make a new video, and I am going to show you the Mavic Mini. As I told you in the last video that I will show the details of how to fly this thing. So today I am going to show you how to fly this thing. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so I have the box here. We'll take out the drone and the remote. We'll close it. Okay, so first things first, we will unfold the front wings. They are going front. They go front, and the back ones they don't go like this. They go like that, like frogs' hind legs. So put here. Okay, now coming to the remote, just simple. You have to just do that. That's okay if it have opposite sides. Like this is having groove and this is flat. That's fine. And then we open the mobile holder. We take out the joysticks. And we screw it in one by one. So that's done. And you shall connect the cable here. Wait a second. We need to connect the cable here, which will go and connect to the mobile device. Here I have a C-type there, C-type Android. So I have connected this type of cable. Okay, so for switching the drone on, we need to take out the gimbal cover first. Does that like all the older Android phones will start charging from the remote. So to prevent that, so many people have overcome that issue, and they'll be like freaking out, and they have even like gave it back to the seller. So that's just crazy. So the solution for that is mine is an MI A2 phone. So this is that method. So you need to go to the settings, search settings, USB, and when we search that, we get USB control Y and USB preferences. So when it connects, so this is taking charge. As you can see, it's taking charge, and then we need to, like, there's no data transfer. It's given, and instead of that, we need to just give file transfer. That's it, and automatically DJI Fly opens. And you can see the camera. Okay, now usually it will come as IMU calibration error, something like that here. If, that time you need to just go to settings, and here you will have controller I will show that in the next video. I am not sure about that, but you need to calibrate that. So now I have like it has come as takeoff permitted. That means I can take off like properly. So now what I do is come to the video, and here 2.7K. There is 2.7K and 1080 pixels, but 2.7K is the maximum. That's great. So then 24 FPS. That's dependent on you. And then we start the recording. Then it makes that sound, and then there is this takeoff button here. Just click that and just long press this. This green light starts and it will tell that the whole point is just come. So for that, what you need to do, go to the GPS and see that home button is there. That's in front. Okay. So now
in Mode 2, the left stick controls the aircraft's altitude and orientation, while the right stick controls its forward, backward, left, and right movements.